Thanks for joining. Let's go ahead and start a new list. So what we're going to do in Microsoft Lists is on our 365 homepage, we're going to go to Apps and we're going to find our lists. So here in Apps, it's not one of them listed. So we click All Apps and then we go down to Lists. Now, once we get into Lists, we have the ability to open lists or create a new one. Now, these are inside my lists right here, right? So these are in this area, and these are all the lists I might have across all of my areas. So I'm going to create a new list. Now, inside here, I can tell it how I want it to start. Do I want to create a blank list or a form or a gallery, calendar, board, or I can import it from Excel or maybe even another existing list. And there's also a variety of templates that you can choose to start from. So what we're going to do is we're going to just create a blank list to start. Now, once you're here, you can give it a name. And then, remember how I said you could tells you where your lists are across all locations? Well, here's the create in. Now, right here, it's the my lists, which means it's in my section. But if I click the drop down, I can create it in other locations as well. And these are Teams or SharePoint areas. So I'm just going to keep it in my lists and create. So it's going to take a second and it's going to take that information and save it. So now here's my area for creating a list and here's my column. And that's how you get started, right? So you add the column and you start with this type of column, which we'll get into in another video. But it's all based on the columns you create, which is the type of columns. All right. So that is how to start your first list.